Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So is your payout stuck on pending? Waiting for your money can be like frustrating and even bad at some cases. But in most case scenarios, this status is fully normal. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually fix the payout pending on Vinted. So we can get through basically all of these problems and fix the delays. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, why it happens? Well, the buyer hasn't confirmed everything is okay or the protection period hasn't ended yet. Bank processing delay, it may be the reason as well. So at this point, what should we do? If you are using Android or even iOS, you can go through the Vinted app itself, log in using your email address and password to access the profile. For me, I'm just gonna go to Vinted.com, then basically access the details from here. Just log in using your email address and password, then tap on profile, then or tap. You can also access the wallet from here. So you can access all of the transactions details and payment history. So the number one fix is to wait for buyer confirmation since funds release after buyer confirms receipt. That's totally normal. Then wait for protection period to end. If the buyer doesn't respond, funds release automatically. Then verify your bank details. Make sure your IBAN or account number is fully correct. Then as for like a pro tip, weekends and public holidays can delay payout processing by like several business days. Keep it in mind also. And that's the whole idea. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.